Hey everybody, P. Clay here, host of the Me and My Roku podcast, available wherever you get your podcasts. We're here in where the magic happens here, and we're going to show you here the three TV setup here that we got here. We got your Google TV here, your Chromecast with Google TV, your Roku with the sound bar there, and then your Fire Cube over here. And so we had a little issue. So if you're followers of the podcast, you know that I ordered a Amazon TV for the Prime Day. Got a big deal, $99. And I had a gift card, so $83. Well, it ended up not being shipped, and I was supposed to get a refund and all that stuff. But the refund never came. So now we have an issue here, and we have, finally, thanks to Amazon's customer service, got the TV. So this is going to screw up our whole system here. We didn't really need this. That's 50 inches. And yeah, this guy right here. So this causes the issue here. So one, a little bit of a size issue. It was a little smaller, but nice. And we had the very nice Amazon Fire Cube. So, oh my gosh. So we're going to have to do some rearranging here. So I'm going to go tear this place apart here and see how it looks after that. All right. Okay, just want to give you a quick update. You can see there, we got the space cleared out for the new TV. The old TV has been removed. And we got some clearing to do. Got everything dusted out and cleaned out. So that TV did nothing wrong. Everything's fine. It's just the nature of the business and upgrading all that stuff. We decided to put it over here by the bar. So in case someone was at the bar or something, there'll be, and you know, for college football, there's always an extra game. There's never enough TVs then. So that will sit over there and the new TV will come in. So to complicate things just a little more, we're going to take out the sound bar, and we're going to put that upstairs in the living room. It's going to have a more open area and be able to get more dynamic sound up there. We're going to replace that receiver with a new home theater receiver. Then we're going to go with the 5-speaker setup. So once we get over there, next when I switch over here, we'll see something over there. It's getting exciting, folks. Okay, wanted to give you a quick update what's going on since the last transition there. So we're making progress, but we're a little behind now because it's 20 after 11 now and football has started. So as you can see now here, we got things kind of set up here, ready to go for the new TV. Just picked up the new receiver, and the guy actually there talked me out of something that I wanted to do, and he said just use an HDMI cable, so we'll see if HDMI from the TV to the receiver, and so will give us the sound that we want, and then I'll be able to hook up the other two TVs in case I want to hear what's going on. So that's the one theory. We'll get football going on over here and over here while I'm working, so I got to deconstruct the old receiver, which had Pro Logic. We can't have that. We need Dolby Digital here and all that good stuff. So we went with the Onkyo. It was the least expensive, but for the size of this room, that'll provide and I got to find the spot for the speakers because that TV is going to take up that whole room right there. So that's the update for now. We'll transition and we'll see where we're at. All right, kids, we're almost there. We're 2/3 of the way there. We just installed the new receiver, and we have Dolby Atmos and surround sound everywhere. Everything sounded great. Did the opening sequence from Star Wars, and we're all set to go now to install the new TV on the third side for our 3-TV sports spectacular setup. We got the bar TV over here now. That was over there. Now we're putting 50 inches of love over there. So a couple changes going to make here. So we added the surround sound receiver now. So we have the latest and greatest in surround sound. Then we put the Apple TV in the middle for a couple reasons. One, it gets the best signal for this TV here. And two, that little thing in the top right-hand corner over there with photos and Apple Fitness. So I can have all my screens on things because here I can work out. Right here, so you got weights right there. Whoo. And a puppy, too. So there we're at right now. So the next transition will be the TV, the moment we've all been waiting for. The whole reason we got this in the first place. But since we're rearranging things, let's rearrange things and have some fun. All right. All right, folks. We're up and running. I'm in position. And all 3 TVs are going here. Plus this guy over here. So that was the old TV. That was on the right now. Now he's over there hooked up to my old, reliable Roku 3. I shouldn't say old. So this will be the bar TV. So if I'm up at the bar, because it's kind of hard to see the left TV over here. Left is Google TV. Center, the main TV, is Apple TV. And here, I have it set to the Roku Ultra, but it also can be the Fire TV then as well. But like I always say, you should always, even if you have a smart TV, always have a box attached just in case. So there we have it. Thanks to Amazon for coming through on their Prime Day deal and holding up to the end of the bargain and getting a replacement here fast and in just a couple of days and even a day early. So, whew, we're up and running now. It's time to enjoy and watch some football. Woohoo! All right.